Wildlife Discovery Center. I'm Diana, and again, you're visiting our Raptor Center here in Pueblo, Colorado. It's a very hot day here in Pueblo. It's already in the mid-90s, heading up into the hundreds. And so one of the things that is always worrisome for us is how to keep the birds cool when it's really hot. One way that we do it is a few years ago we had a wonderful donation that helped us put aerial misting systems into most of our enclosures. So most of the birds have a mist running on them right now to keep them cool, but sometimes the mist just isn't enough and you need to do a little bit more. So we thought we'd bring you a few minutes of cool as we let the baby great horned owls, well, they're not really babies anymore, but the young great horned owls get a little bit of spray. So I'm going to take back the phone from Tyson, my volunteer, and Tyson's going to give them a good misting. So let me get them. There they are, and we'll shoot them, and they're going to get a bath. And so we use this fine little mist. Might get a little closer to them. There you go. Perfect. Oh, I'll keep going. Whoops. Wasn't very nice. Oh, good. There it goes. Yeah. Whoops. What are you doing? Try it again. See if that one will take a big bath. Oh, Aggie might want a bath. Here's Aggie. See if she wants a bath. There we go. He likes that. I think he's confused. He keeps looking up like, the sky's blue, why is it raining? And Aggie's just sitting there in the mist. Oh, look. And I think he's done. What do you think?
Yep.
He's done. I think they're done. Well, that's how you keep great horned owlets cool on a, hey, don't get the camera person wet. That's okay. Anyway, thanks for joining us today at the Nature and Wildlife Discovery Center. Keep cool where you are, and I guarantee you the owlets are going to keep cool today. Have a good one.